KCET 2025 aspirants, I hope all of you are doing really well. And now, since the KCET registration and application process has already started, I found a lot of confusion among the dropper students. There are so many questions like, will there be a separate registration, what all documents will be required, how to register, and so many other common doubts are there. So in this video, I am going to discuss in detail what all documents will be required for the dropper students. Apart from that, I have checked the comment section and I have found so many doubts regarding different topics. So I have collected all the doubts and I will be clarifying one by one all of them. So if you are a dropper and an aspirant of KCET 2025 examination, then please watch the complete video, as some of the doubts may also clarified in this session. Okay. So let's start with the first thing. So what all things we have in today's video? The first thing is your KCET droppers document details. Okay. And next, some common doubts have been clarified. So I've taken all the important doubts that I found in the comment section. Okay. Now coming to the document list, the first one will be your CET application print. So when exactly you have to submit the document? See, document submission process will start once the exam is over, results are out and the counseling process starts. Before the starting of counseling process, there will be document verification. Okay, and once the documents are verified, you will get a like I can say an ID and password to start the counseling process. So at that time, what all documents you should be ready? You should have your CET application, you should have your 10th mark card, then you should have 7 years of certificate countersigned by the concerned BEO and DDPI. So this is common for all the students, even for droppers and the regular students. Okay. Now here we have a study certificate to show that the candidate has studied in Karnataka for a minimum period of 7 years from 1st to 12th standard, or qualifying examination issued by the head of the institute, including SSLC, 10th standard or 2nd PUC or 12th standard. So in this 7 years of study, there must be 10th and 12th standard included. Okay. Next we have counters. A counter signature is not required for CBSE and ICSE study certificate. Okay, so if you are not from the PU board or from the SSLC board, then CBSE and CISE, you don't require this counter sign. Clear? Okay, this is common for everyone. Now which comes for droppers? Let's see this part. This is very important, where droppers are mentioned. So students appearing for Karnataka 2nd PUC annual 2025 need not submit their qualifying examination marks to the KEA, as it will be obtained directly from the Department of PUE. So now you know that in KCET rank determination, okay, 50% weightage is taken from your PU boards. So those students who are writing their PU2 boards in this year, means in 2025, their marks will be directly obtained from the Department of Pre-University Education. But those students who are from other board or who have written in 2024 or any other year, for them it is mandatory to submit. You can see here, yes, one second, yes, should where it is, yes, repeater. Okay, repeater students of Karnataka 2nd PU also should submit their photocopy of the mark card immediately after the exam, because before 30th of April 2025. Okay, the results of such candidates will be withheld for want of qualifying examination mark. So your PU2 marks, since you have already given, you are a dropper, your PU2 marks is already with you, you have to send a photocopy of this one to the KEA. Now how to send, where to send, that will be updated with the time. Mostly you have to upload in the portal. Okay, but do not worry, with time before 30th of April we'll get a detailed notification how to do this process, but as of the previous year it has to be done in the portal itself. Okay, but what is our duty? Our duty is to be ready with your 12th mark cards. Clear? Fine. So this is, I think, about the documents. Other everything is common to the regular students. Now I will take some of your questions that you have posted in the comment section, and many students have doubt. The first question here was from where should the droppers submit their mark card photocopy? In portal. So yes, as I told you, according to the previous year process, it has to be submitted in the portal. But again, once the exam gets over, KEA will notify us how to do it, so we do not have to worry. We just have to be ready with our PU2 marks and wait for the instructions. Clear? The first question. Next we have, is there any difference between fresher and droppers in KCET? So the application process, everything, the only difference that was there regarding the PU2 mark card, other than that there is no difference. Okay. Next, for droppers also they are considering board marks. That is, yes, whether you are a dropper or a fresher, board marks will be considered for everyone, 50% from PU2 and 50% from your KCET 2025 examination. That is common for all the students. Next, droppers strategy, please. So for this one, I am very soon coming up with a 2-month strategy for the droppers. So please subscribe the channel, stay tuned, you will find a strategy video very soon. Okay. So there were so many comments with this also. Ma'am, can you tell the dropper students must apply or not again this KCET? Yes, definitely you should give a chance. Okay, maybe you can get a very good college this time, so please try it, go prepare and just try for this exam. You must apply. Okay. Next we have, ma'am, will you be helping us by making a video for application process for droppers? I have one main doubt, that should we be logging in with our already registered account or make a new one for 2025? So registration process is similar to all the students, so there is no point of making another video for that. But yes, the second question is very valid. You do not have to, you have to make a new registration ID. The 2024 registration ID will not work. So please make a new registration ID and then start filling the application process as I have explained. Okay, clear? Next, what we have, please give assigned task for droppers in paper format. We will make a printout. We lack discipline. So I will try to provide this as well in my strategy video. I'll give you the exact schedule, subject, timetable, everything, so that you can be disciplined and can prepare accordingly. Okay, this is also done. Next, here we have, ma'am, please make a video for droppers. We need timetable for droppers, timetable for droppers. So these all things I'll take care. Very soon I'll be coming up with the strategy video where I'll be giving you timetable and you can follow that. Clear? Okay, so yes students, so these were some of the major questions, major doubts. The first one is to where will you upload your marks card. So your mark card will be uploaded in the portal only, but yes, we have to wait till we get the instructions. Second important thing is, do we have to register again? So obviously yes, you have to do a new registration, new ID, new password, and that will be used for filling up the application process. 2024 registration ID will not work. Okay, so I hope I have clarified most of your doubts. If you have any other doubt, please put in the comment section. I will address it. And one more thing, if suppose you are using the same phone number, that might not take. So make sure that if you have another phone number, it is better to use a new phone number and do the registration. Okay, and please check all your certificates, whichever is there, its expiry date, because if you have done it in the last year, so that the expiry date might not be there, and that is why the certificates will not be uploaded. So please check the expiry date of all your claim certificates, if it is there or not. If yes, then you can upload it. Clear? These are the main things that I found students are having problem. So I have addressed it, and if you have any other problem apart from this, then also you can comment down. We will definitely address it. And thank you for watching. Do not forget to subscribe the channel, as we are going to come up with many more important videos to boost up your preparation. Thank you students, and see you soon in the next class.